Hey guys, welcome back. So in this I will talk about the another method of Stream API, which is nothing but summarizing long. This is very useful method guys, and this will help you a lot. So let's say you have list where you have long data. You can see that I have added LLL, right, which means my list has long data. Now I want to get the average, sum, max, mean from this. How do I do that? Okay, so since it is the list, you can call a stream, then dot collect, and the collectors, when you write, just write collectors dot summarizing long. So there is a method called dot summarizing. So if you go here, summarizing double, summarizing long, and summarizing int. So basically there are three method for summarizing. Summarizing is very useful, so I will go for the first one. I will go for the double. Okay, and this inside that, when you summarize this, sorry, it should be summarizing, yeah, ideally I think I did one mistake guys here. Okay, I will just change that. I will use here summarizing long, no problem. I'll change that later. The method name is wrong. Okay, the class name is wrong. So summarizing long. So you know what this guy will do when you say x map to x. So basically when you just press control click on summarizing long, it takes to long function, right? And when you press control click on to long function, it has only one method called apply as long. So whatever object you will supply, your output is always going to be the long guys. In this case, two long functions. This also I have covered when I was talking about the functional interface. I have covered everything, right? So now if I will go here, and if you look at when I will just do summarize long, and I'm just printing the output. Okay, I'm just printing this output. So what is the return type here? Just place mouse over here, click on create local variable. So this will give you long summary statics. This will give you the statics. Statics means you can perform all the method, right? This output has lot of methods since it is the statics, right? When you do dot, and when you say get, you can see that get average, get count, get max, get mean, get sum, everything it will give you from this stream. Okay, everything it will give you. So this is really useful. Now you can see that on this output I am calling average, max, sum, and mean, and also I am printing this summary also. So let's run this and see that what output we will see. See, in summary it will give you everything. Count 7, like 7 number you have added to the list. Then if you do a summations, you will get this number. When you do minimum of this, you will get this. Average, it will do the sum divide by 7. The max is also same. So here mean max you are not able to differentiate. Let me change one number here, and for mean also let me change one number here. Now you will see some difference, otherwise you are not able to figure out the difference. So you can see that this is the max and this is the minimum number, right? And this I have called individually. So when you say dot get average, it will give you the double and then other data, right? So you got it, like how powerful it is. You are just calling it, summarizing long, and you are just writing one function. In the functions you are passing the same, like since you are running the stream, so and a stream you are running on the list of long, so all long data will get supplied to this, and your function is returning the same long data, right? Now if you look at here summarizing double, so summarizing double, if you focus here, what it will do, it will give you the double summary statics. So here in the your list has a string, so I am saying that whatever list a string has, you collect the data and write a collector. So collectors dot, there is a method called summarizing double. So summarizing double, since it is the double, I am saying that if for every string get the length and summarize that, summarize as a double. So get the length and summarize that. So here your output you will get as a double summary statics, and when you run that, it will give you the length, average, mean, max, everything. So look at here, count how many data got processed, 7 record. Then what is the summation of that, 40.00, because it's a double, right? minimum length was 5, average length was 5.71 because divided by 7, maximum length 7.00 because it's double, and then individually I am calling the method average, max, sum and mean. Got it? This is very simple but very powerful. Now summarizing int. So int, you know that it will give you the integer. So again the same data, when you are writing a collectors dot summarizing int. So summarizing int, you are writing a function here. So the function will return the length. So for this length it will give you the int summary statics. So it will give you the count, it will give you the sum, max, mean, average. Okay, so look at here, summary, count, 7 records processed, sum is equal to 40. You can sum them, you can sum the length of all this, you will get 40 only. Okay, minimum is 5 because apple is the one which has 5 length, average 5.71, max 6 because there are other strings which has maximum length is equal to 6, and this is the methods for this, right? So we had 3 method like summarizing int, summarizing double and summarizing long, right, which I have covered. With this I'll close the video. In next video I will talk about some more concepts of the Stream API. Thank you guys, thank you for watching this.